Hey guys, good morning. I wanted to take you on a special video tour today. Today we are going to tour our nursery for the first time. So we have been working hard at getting everything planted up and getting everything ready and getting orders out, and we're starting to get a ton of orders out and a lot of wholesale orders, and we're going to pick our own plants as well. And it's gonna get a little more wiped out. So I wanna show you guys, well, it is just, I'm looking at it right now, it is big and beautiful and full, and you guys can see everything. But before we do that, I just wanted to share, I'm having my tea with you guys. I'm just taking a little moment to slow down because it has been a crazy couple weeks. Just getting the nursery ready, getting everything potted up. We've had, just with the vegetable plants alone, I think like 18,000 plants that we've been planting up. We're still planting them up. We're still putting them in the production area, getting them ready. So we have the Proven Winners plants on top of that. So it has been wild. I'm so thankful for it. I love it. It's been so fun. But God has been teaching us to take days to just slow down, because if you don't, you guys probably know, or you found out or will find out, you just can't do it. You just can't go anymore. So I have been taking, we've been taking days where sometimes I'll just sit and stare at the sunshine, sit on our back patio, have chocolate milk that I made, and just slow down. And it has been so good, just enjoying God's peace and just getting a break and being able to breathe. So that's so important. So I'm slowing down with you guys a little bit this morning because I have a ton to do, and I'm just holding that off. And I'm slowing down with you guys so that hopefully this will bless you, and maybe on a day that you can take a moment to take a break and it can be peaceful and joyful to your heart. So I think we're gonna let's do the nursery first. I still have some stuff in the greenhouse behind me. We did a massive clean out yesterday because we had tomatoes and squash that were hiding in there for the cold nights, and we just brought those out yesterday. So I was able to take all the seed trays that are still seeded on the ground, put them up, and everything is up, but they're still Proven Winners. I may show you in there. We'll see how much time we have. But let's go see the plants. I'm so excited, you guys. All right, sweet friends, here it is in all its glory. It is full of life and beautiful. Right this way, down that aisle, we have our Proven Winners flowers, and then the rest is our vegetable flowers. As you can see, there's some stuff on the ground right now, right in here. Those are our personal pots that someone was helping us clean and just put them right there. So we have to take those to our place, which is just over the fence, which is a blessing. But we've got lots to do, but a lot has been done. So let me share the excitement with you guys. So I shared some of this in the greenhouse with you. This is the sparkling amethyst Supertunia. Oh my goodness, those blooms are so beautiful. Here's Supertunia Bordeaux. And I'm probably gonna say for every Proven Winners, they get massive, they're huge, they're great performance, because that's why we like Proven Winners. We've just personally noticed that Proven Winners are such great performers, so we think they far outweigh themselves in price difference, because you will get such massive difference in performers, and they will last so much longer, they'll be so much stronger. You don't have to deadhead any of the Proven Winners, they don't fall over, stuff like that. So that's why we love them. If we skip over here, we have the Supertunia Peachy Keen. Next is my favorite, guys, is the Supertunia Trailing Blue Vein. The color is just the prettiest color, and I don't know if that's showing up in the camera, but it is just, it's like Bordeaux but lighter. I just love it. And then we have all of our Proven Winners Supertunia Snowdrifts. Oh, look at those. And then like it is his cousin, the Supertunia Bubblegum. And then we have the sweet Super Bells Coralina. I just love this one. It's so tropical, so pretty. And next to it is my favorite, is look at this Gara, you guys. I've always wanted to plant Gara, but look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm so excited. You guys will see a video of us planting that in our garden soon, or around our garden. That is so pretty. Next we have this huge looking one. This is the Rockin' Plain the Blue Salvia. Look at that, it's starting to make, go slow for you guys, some spikes, the pretty blooms. But these just look so hardy and so healthy. Next we have the Blushing Princess, the Sweet Alyssum. Next we have the Double Orchid, and that is a Super Bells as well. And then we have the Blueberry Intensia Phlox, Annual Phlox. And we have a mix here. We have the Supertunia Mini Vista Pink Star. It's so pretty, with a bubblegum and an amesia. It got mixed, I think, in the greenhouse when it got brought out. They got brought out together. Okay, there's more proven winners in the greenhouse, but I'm gonna swing around and we'll do the vegetable plants right now. All right, so we just did all the proven winners that are outside right now. We have more that are getting moved out, but we're gonna swing around and start with the herbs and the vegetables. You got to see some beautiful color, and now you get to see some beautiful food. All right, guys, sorry the sun might be a little bright, but look at, here are the herbs. Oh, they're so pretty. I just love the herbs. I was telling Sebastian the other day that they're just so compact and tidy, especially in a nursery. It's just so fun to have them. Okay, so we have the Thai basil, and if you guys don't know, all the basils that are different truly, someone was asking me, truly do smell and taste different. You just rub the leaves. Luca does that too. And then smell it. This has a little more, the Thai basil has a more licorice anise flavor, not in an unpleasant licorice way. And then Genovese basil, which is a traditional basil. We have our Rutgers Obsession basil. We have our purple amethyst. Look at that, that's always a favorite basil. Our little bush basil, how cute, great for containers. So cute. Lemon basil, which is my favorite. It's like lemon essential oil in a basil. I'm smelling it with you guys. There's more lemon basil. Here is our basil collection. So a 6-pack of all of different ones mixed. Here's our beautiful oregano. This one is just the cutest little thing. Look at that. So cute. This is our darky curly parsley. Try to get around the sprinkler heads. We have our Italian flat leaf parsley. We have our bouquet dill and our teddy dill right next to it. Here's our sweet lavender. Oh gosh, that smells good, guys. Got lots of lavender. It's always one of our biggest sellers. We have sage looking beautiful. Rosemary looks like lavender, so if you're confused, just smell it. We have all of our thyme right here. And our stevia plant. I'm gonna plant a mass amount of the stevia plant this year and dry it and have some of our own stevia. Isn't that fun? And then here is half of Tomato Alley. But we moved all these tomatoes out yesterday from the greenhouse, and holy man, I was dripping with sweat. I was soaked. It's like a sauna in there. And Caleb, who helps us, he's our sweet helper. He helps us with the nursery, helps us with our stuff. He was helping unload all of these and bringing them here, so I couldn't have done them without his help, and it's so nice to have them out here. So if we swing around here, we have our large red cherry, and you can even see from the plant that it is taller than the other cherry tomatoes. Beautiful. We have our bumblebee pink. That one is such a fun cherry tomato. So cute. Looking so healthy. More bumblebee pink. We have a brandywine red. I like this one because you can tell the different leaf structure of a brandywine. Looks more like a sweet potato vine than the traditional tomato leaf. We have our black cherry. Oh, that's fun. Love black cherry tomatoes. We have our beef masters. More beef master. All right, this one I'm so excited about. Indigo rose. You can even see the purple on its leaves. How fun is that? And then we have Cherokee purple right back there. All right, that is all of our tomato plants planted up. And then we have a mixture of stuff that's still in production area to be planted, squash, peppers, still stuff we're working on. If we swing around this way, you can see a little better in the shade. These are our cool weather crops that we try to put in the shade. So that's a little bit of a tip. You can still plant stuff into spring and summer. That's cool weather. If you put it in the shade or part shade, it will help it tremendously. So this is our 6 packs of arugula. They are looking so good. Cherokee red lettuce. Oh, I love it. It's so hearty, so good. Some leaves. We have all of our butter crunch lettuce. We have our salvias romaine lettuce. This one I love, Burgums lettuce. Just love how curly they are. It's so cute. Our Muir lettuce, this is a little bit of a heat tolerant one, but look how cute it is, guys. It's so teeny and compact. I love it. Here's one of our best sellers, our all-star lettuce. This one is so fun. It just has a variety of all different kinds. This is our spring mix lettuce. It looks kind of like the all-star. It has a few different ones in it. So pretty. Our Swiss chard bright lights. Swiss chard is so fun. I love how juicy or watery it is, and they get massive too. Our spinach. This is our Toscano kale. Our dark boar kale. And then over here we have all of our squash. So this is the Zephyr squash, national pickling, General Lee cucumber, Manny cucumber. I'm excited about the Manny cucumber because they're like a little muncher, or like Diva. It's a muncher cucumber. Market Moore cucumber. Unagi is a new one this year. I'm really excited about that one because it's kind of like a muncher cucumber, only longer. Doesn't have as many seeds, so that one is a nice, crisp, fun one. And then we have our Dunja squash. And if we swing around here, we have our Delicata squash. I love that one. You can eat it with its... Here we have our Delicata squash. I love this one. You can eat it with its rind on. It's such a fun, pleasant flavor. More Delicata. We have our butternut. We have somewhere in here our honey butternut. That one is a fun one. They're like small butternuts, but they're really sweet. They're my favorite. There's such a good flavor. National pickling cucumber. We have watermelon in there. And we have more squash that's coming out too. And here, if you guys can see, our candy onions. We sold out of onions so quick this year. We're gonna try to get more, but those are all sold out. And then we have all of our Nabecan, and I think you say it, Nabecan scallions. So lots of those. These are sweet pepper collections. They're just being moved out now. Lots and lots and lots of them. All right, guys, I snuck in the greenhouse for a second to give you a quick peek. If you saw our last greenhouse tour, you'll notice that it is a lot less in here, meaning all the stuff is moved up from off the floor. So this is, this should all be the same as our greenhouse tour before, but here's our proven winners. Beauties, looking so good. Beautiful blooms. So good. They're just so fun and happy. And then on the opposite side, we have all our seed trays. A lot of these are for our cut flower garden and some that are for the nursery as well. All right, guys, there is the nursery and all the beauty and all the life. It's so fun that you guys got to see it. We have so many more plants that are still being moved out. So if you didn't see anything, it's on its way. But it's just so fun seeing all the beauty, all the vegetables. I love it so much. We've been having so much fun. You haven't seen us, that's where we are, working in there, but we've been enjoying it so much. So I hope that was so fun for you guys. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.